All right, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Good morning to you all. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you are new. This morning, we are not going to waste much time. I just want us to go through this post that CS made this post few days ago, and I intentionally ignore it because there's other things that are bothering everybody. The issue of what the voice that is trending about what's going on in El Kigwe and Aaron Zog. So we were focusing on that and the response of Gentle. And not only the response of Gentle and response of even Biafrans. So we focus on that. Not that we did not see this post. I saw it, to be honest with you, but I felt it is not, not it is important, but it is not what to share for before what was going on and all that. Then yesterday, I saw Akparawa mocking that post and using that post to run saga. I'm not against anybody doing whatever he or she want to do because we all have our reason to do what we do. We all have our reason to support whatever we want to support. The choice is always yours. But it baffles me that people who claim that they're following PM all this while, could not pick something that has to do with the US. If you see somebody who claims that he's with you and the person somehow supports PM, believe in Biafran government, believe in Biafran government in SI, but the attitude and response of some of us are reminding me, which I'm sure I'm not the only one, it reminds us the attitude of DOS. How many of you remember when PM talked about football team when some Biafran had tournament in Europe and he said that Biafrans are going to be represented? Then some footballers then that time happened to be half caste, mainly white people or somehow mixed blood and all that. DOS and Obedient, they jumped out and began to bash on that, telling people, how can you say that you are Biafran and you have all the people white around you? That is uncalled for. It seems that you are not serious, all that. And after condemning that, they still paid attention to know the result of Biafrans in that tournament. They mocked everything and they reacted on it negatively. Somebody like me, during that time I said that yes, it is not priority, but it is one of the way to create, is another way to create awareness, to let people know there's a country called Biafra, that's something like this in the past, and repeating it again is a way, bringing this kind of tournament, this kind of post, and getting yourself in that tournament is a way of also create more awareness for Biafrans, whether you like it or not. But criticizers are busy criticizing the color of the players, the identity of the players, and the person that posted it, which is PM. They are trying everything to rubbish that from DOS and Obedient camp. So, but we know that this criticism, it will come, of course, but some of us are still kind of contemplating. Why are they criticizing it? What is their gain? Like I said yesterday, everything that PM represented, these people have vowed to rubbish it, to destroy it at any given time. And it's not as if they're destroying it for them to lead or bring the quote-unquote the better way to bring Biafra. They're not. Once they succeed in destroying what someone has done, next thing they will do is to move from that and begin to tell you that the best thing to do is to make sure you curtail it, you limit him. That is the person leading. That you stop him from doing whatever he or she is doing. Make sure that he cannot do it again. All the things that he thinks that he is, let us prove to him that he cannot do it without us. Pull him down spirit. they will come out and begin to pull you down, begin to tear everything down just to prove a point. Nothing serious, nothing more apart from that. All right, so I saw a post from Akparawa about this post that CS made. I'm going to share the screen with you. Let us quickly share it because I know many of you must have seen this post. Some of us have seen it, some may have not. But I'm going to start with the one that CS shared so that we can now discuss it the way it's supposed to be. Now, the post here is from COS. She made this post. Like I said, you may agree, you may disagree. That's not why I'm here. Whether it is necessary, whether it's not necessary, I'm not interested to discuss it. But my concern is Akparawa's reaction towards that reminds me of what DOS did in the past. Now, COS said this. As you can see here, the date is on August 5. August 5. Breaking. I told you. Ham spotters. I don't know what you mean by this Hammer Sports and print USB Sports Jersey brand. I don't know if this is a company name or maybe maybe the grammar is a new to me. I don't know what it said. I got mine, and I'm gonna share it with you. Her own. He said, "Get your custom Biafran jersey now. Proudly wear your identity with a unique, customized Biafran jersey, designed for unity, pride, and heritage. You can add your name and number just the way you want. Click here to place your order now." Okay, this is biafransports.com. So, for you to buy this jersey, for you to support Biafra, for you to kind of promote Biafra, you can engage yourself in this, making sure that you get used to, you order your own and get used to Biafra costume and everything. It is a way of promoting and supporting. He says, fast delivery, premium quality, 100% authentic design. Let's represent Biafra in style. This is her own. She ordered this and she made sure that her name appeared there. Are you getting that? So that's why when you hear customize, is that you can put your name, your surname, your nickname, like some people bear nickname, like Ogenkere, who his name is Asayanyogo. He may choose to put Ogenkere when he order his own. That is what it means. So you have right to put your own, you have right to customize it the way you want. Then after making this post, trying to let their friends know that the shop is working, you can go there and order your own. Now, I have something to say to Pastor CS on this video, and that is my own suggestion. I'm not saying she must do it, no. I'm not saying that I'm mandating her to do it, no. But I think it will be a best way to respond to this Ekuke here. So not Akparawa. Okay, who said this? Look at it here. Let me bring it. On 14 September 2024, Prime Minister Samoneta unveiled this Biafran football jersey for Brigi, and today Ngozo Fulani is claiming glory for it, deceiving some Biafrans. You can say that. So you can see how this guy always wants to push something. Let me just take it again so that you understand what he's trying to say here. He said that Prime Minister Samoneta unveiled this Biafran jersey, this Biafran football jersey for Brigi, and today Ngozo Fulani is claiming glory for it, deceiving some fools following her, that she is the one who makes it happen now. Many of you supporting all the breakaway groups never loved PM Samoneta from onset. Enemies surrounded him plenty. Lawsuit will flog many of you immensely. He this one is he made this one, on He made this one 12 hours ago, but let's focus on this one. He said here. I'm coming back. Just hold on. He said this one is the one he made then on September 24, September 2024, September 5, 2024. He trying to remind you that this had been done before. Then he put his own son Akparawa and all that. You can customize your names on your Biafran jersey just like you can do when buying any official jersey of any club. Just visit our website, biafransports.com, product, order your... Now, COS, let's go back to her post. Okay, let's go back to her post so that you can understand what Sanabara is trying to say here. Here, she said, let me take it again. From here, get your customized Biafran jersey now. She did not tell you, I have just done it, my people. Look at it here. Breaking, I told you all. She's made this phrase just to catch your attention. And everything appeared to be new because even Sonabara was dragging and talking about this thing. Understand that this website that is one of the things that they themselves dragged to bring to Ogekere, to rubbish it. How about IOU? Is it IOU? IOU loan. How about it? Who is in charge of it now? How about the website that did that for donation? Is this because of Ogekere? Azubike hijacked it against the will of the cabinet that PM actually built. Cabinet that work under PM demand that website should be released and connect the account that PCOS is in charge to that website that Azubike refused just to protect Ogekere. And this guy is here talking about those that love PM and those who don't love PM. The jersey is here. Anybody can customize it. She's just reminding you to support and buy your own order. That's what the right of is all about. But this guy he must mention it just to rubbish. But why the propaganda and all this nonsense is not trending anymore? Because people have realized that you have no right to condemn anybody now, because you are signing Ogekere. That's a loan. That thing alone disqualify you from many things. Anyway, this is morning edition. I'm not gonna waste much time. I just want you to know the lying Muhammad of our time, Akparawa, who is doing everything he could to drag people to backward. They started telling you to fall back. You fall back financially, you fall back mentally, you fall back spiritually, you fall back in everything. Look at the guy that is introduced Ogekere as a prime minister, telling you that the people hated PM for this while. People don't get shame. Anyway, please make sure you like it and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think. Let me know your own take and what you think about all we discussed so far this morning. God bless you. I'll see you again. Bye-bye for now.